just finished eating some leftover cake from Trey's party on yesterday. So anyway, his second party is today. It's an Elmo party. And I'm making him some balloons. So I am headed inside of Home Depot so that I can get a pole, because he's short. So he's too short for my regular balloon column poles. So I have to get a pole that's like 3 feet tall cut. That's all I'm in here for. But you know what? I could show y'all the patio stuff that's coming. This is nice. I decided that I'm gonna do paver stone under my outdoor gazebo. So I'm gonna show y'all that when I do it. I could look at some paver stones today just to get an idea. But I'm excited. Now it ain't gonna be done the way it's supposed to be done. Excuse me. I can tell y'all that right now. But it's gonna get done. And I'm gonna like it and I'm gonna entertain. Because we've been locked up and I wanna entertain at my house. I could either use this, it's really conduit pipe. And this is the size, a 1/2 inch. But maybe having pre-cut, but I need it to be 3 feet because he's short. I can also use PVC pipe. So let me see if they have some PVC piping. They have these pre-cut, but this is still too short. Well, this is too short. It's like, yeah, it needs 1 more foot. I need 3 feet. Alright guys, I'm back at the house now. I'm gonna go ahead on and blow up Trey's balloons for his party. Jalen's in the background in the kitchen cooking breakfast. But these are the colors. It is Sesame Street. Sesame Street colors. So this is the pole that you guys saw me looking for at the Home Depot. It's a 3-foot conduit pipe pole. And I have it on my base. These are 50-pound bases. Wait, but not 15. Are they 20, 25? I think they're, I don't know. I think they're 25-pound bases. Anyway, they're really heavy duty. It was an investment for my business. So, I'm gonna go ahead on and blow them up. And then you guys will see how cute it's gonna be.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated.
So this is the column. I'm gonna go ahead on and put the little red ones up here just to make it have like an extra little support underneath the number 2. This is it. Really cute. I'm gonna finish shaping it once I put it up at the party. It's his birthday party today. Look at his little bouncy house, and it's so cute. He gotta go get dressed in his cute little outfit. Here are the balloons. Alright. Balloon lady is here, delivering the balloon. Well, I'm gonna eat and all that good stuff too, cause you know, hey, it's a family party. Isn't it cute? Oh, so adorable! My big butt can't probably get up in there, but I'm sure gonna try. I see you peeking at me through them balloons, sir.
Well, I never wanted to say.
Trey! Hey, birthday boy. Jalen blowing balloons like she's 5. For him.
We can guarantee.
That's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no, no.
I'm going in
might be a breakup. Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby.
Hey guys, good morning, happy Saturday. Y'all know what time it is. I have an event today. Pretty colors, pink, mauve, burgundy. Ooh, let me get out of here. After I get done setting up the balloon garland, I'll be going to Papados to meet up with my big sis and some friends, have some good food, some drinks. It's still gonna be lunchtime, so that's cool. I have not eaten yet. I did get me some coffee so that I could tame my appetite, because I find that's you guys know I love coffee, so whenever I do that, I don't have to eat until later. It really kind of holds me and keeps me from eating some bull crap. But that's what's going on Saturday. Jalen's dad is here in town, so she went to Six Flags. He came to the house this morning and picked her up with her brothers. So they're all going to Six Flags today to hang out and ride rides and have fun while I do this, and I guess have me some me time. You know, I love me some me time. But that's pretty much it. I just finished up with the balloon garland. It turned out so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in Big Lots right quick, kind of just passing over time actually, because I'm meeting them at 1 o'clock, no, 1:30. So I'm just going in Big Lots to see what they have, and I want to get some of my coffee. Victor Allen's coffee, the best coffee. I absolutely love it. So I wanted to get the hazelnut. That's the small one, but I'm gonna go ahead on and get this big one because I go through it so fast. But I like that Big Lots has the hazelnut here in the store. So I've made it to Papados, about to go in here and eat. It's always so pretty around it. Oh, look at the beautiful red tree.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, babe, I want your love. I'll be the one.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is Friday. I am just now leaving the JOB. It is still early in the day, so I'm about to go into the at-home store because I actually have to get some stuff for my client. I'm going to her house in the morning to we've already started decorating. I've been over there a few times adding little things, but in the morning I'm gonna go and add some accents to her coffee table and to her end table and some more items on her 2 bookshelves, because we finally got all those items put together, so it's looking really good. But yeah, and it's a 3-day weekend. 3-day weekend. Yes, Memorial weekend. I have a very busy weekend because tomorrow is my cousin's graduation party. She graduated from high school, but y'all know it's a whole family affair. So I'm making like little balloon centerpieces, and then I'm gonna do like a whole balloon garland for it. So I have to do that tonight, because when I come from my client's house, I'm just gonna head straight over there and do that, and then I'm gonna go back to the house, get dressed, and pick up my mom and Jalen. Yes, Mommy Dearest is here. You guys know she's here every summer. So anyway, you guys see I have some leftover porch items in my car. I have to show you that because yesterday I went to set up the porch. So, well, yeah, the front porch of another client's house. And she wanted color. You know, a lot of things are like really neutral now, but she was like, I want to use yellows and greens. And I'm like, I am so here for it. I am here for the color. It's summertime. Let's be fun. I like pieces like this. earthy tones. Ooh, this green is really pretty. It's actually really nice and pretty. Different. These faces are so pretty. It's like a sage. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, happy Saturday. Okay, I see what y'all doing over here. Well, what an intro that was, so let's try this again. Hey guys, what's up? Happy Saturday. I am headed over to my client's house. As you guys see, I have a car full of stuff, car full of bags. Today I'm just trying to go and finish her coffee table, basically decorate her coffee table, her side table, and add some more stuff to her bookshelves. She's having like a little get together today, so she wanted to at least have some items on it before her get together, which is, you know, which is cool. But depending on what, some things I wanted to get that I don't have, and so, you know, we'll have to wait on those. But for the most part, at least she'll have some items on them and they just won't be bare. I am hungry. I did not get to go by Daisies or DITL. The line was so long, and I need to get over here so that I can get back over on my side of town because I have to do an event. Well, I'm helping decorate for my cousin's graduation party today, and so I need to get back over so that I can have time to do that. And then I have to go to the house, pick up my mom and Jalen, also take a shower. So it's gonna be a pretty jam-packed day, but after that, you know, we're gonna be able to party and get it in. So I'm looking forward to it. My client has a thing that says we said yes to that dress. Working on styling these. I got all this stuff. Now I need to create the centerpiece. Slowly coming together. Love, love, love the rug. Alright guys, I'm in the Starbucks line waiting on my food. It is 1 o'clock. I'm just now eating breakfast. Came from my client's house and set everything up. It's coming together. We're not done at all, but we still have more stuff to put in there. But yeah, it looks really good. So I'm excited about it. But I am starving. I had an ice white mocha. They gave me a regular one, so I had to get them to remake it.
Sorry about the wait there.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
I hope you have a great day.
Same to you. Thank you so much. They always so nice at Starbucks. Like Chick-fil-A. Alright, now I have to go home. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. How do I get out of here? I guess I'm gonna go this way. I actually have to finish making the balloon garland for my cousin's graduation. So my cousin's graduation party, I think I need to get a little nap. I am so tired. I'm gonna be running on E, and I don't want to be running on E with no energy. So I didn't know how much energy it was gonna take for me to drive all the way over to where because my client lives like 50 minutes away from me without traffic. So yeah, I feel like I've been driving all morning. I love the ham and cheese croissant. Yes, I eat pork. Not a lot. I think I mainly eat it with breakfast, like bacon, ham, all that type of stuff. And let's see if they made my drink right. You could have gave me some more ice, but it tastes good. It tastes really good. We are back at it again. Oh my gosh, all this noise from my equipment is rattling. Anyway, headed to the graduation party, as you guys see, full of balloons, red, white, silver. We are popping. I got on black, red, and white. Those are her school colors. So, oh, y'all, okay. Let me try to get up out of here and get down there because I am running behind. But you guys know what type of day it's been. I had a lot going on. So, but I'm here and I'm gonna make it happen.
I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly full. From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on a shirt before a centerfold. Devil on my back, target on me, deadly too. Play for keeps, don't tweet. It's not peace, don't speak. 24, no sleep. This is real, no tweet. My bros for life, can't break this link. Family on my side, baby stay around me. I don't want no combo, I want
I know. Hey guys, this is my uncle, you know, right here. Say what's up.
What's up? What you gonna do?
I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want best. I'm all in my head, way I'm a wreck. I've been moving like
Here's the graduate. You see her table? Isn't it so cute? It's so pretty. Her cousin is graduating from Tuskegee in aerospace engineering. And then there's my balloon garland for the photo op, class of 2021. I made these centerpieces, which I did not film me doing because I just didn't have time. I did one for every table. Super cute. You probably hear my uncle upstairs DJing. Where you going next year? Kennesaw State or Georgia State? Or Georgia State? Okay.
You finna be home alone. Yeah.
Jayla just graduated, guys. Yeah.
You finna be there alone, empty nester.
I am perfectly okay with being an empty nester, but who said I'm gonna be alone? No, she be crying. She be crying now, y'all know.
I don't want no combo, I want you. I'm all in my head, way I'm a wreck. I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly full. From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on a shirt before